Hey my Luna babes, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, you guys have requested it. I get so many messages on Snapchat, on Instagram, on how I film, what I film with, and all this stuff. So on this video, there's also going to be a giveaway included, which one of you is going to win the editing software that I edit. I've been editing for about, I've been editing on this software for about 5-6 years, I want to say, or more. I started YouTube since 2006 or 2006. Yes, I'm still riding the wave. So I'm going to show you guys from the camera, the lighting, and everything I use. So let's get this started. First thing that I want to talk to you guys about is lighting. Lighting is everything. Right now, I feel like I have the perfect lighting now. I have been struggling for freaking years. When I started, I used to film in front of a window. Filming with natural daylight, it's free and good, but the thing that sucks is that sometimes there can be cloudy, it can get dark, and I really don't have that time anymore. I have to film whenever I want to film. You know, I have to film. So this lighting setup that I have, I will show you guys, and I will link you guys down below of everything that I'm talking to you guys about. So make sure you click the link down below so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights in total. I wish I had, I think, 2 more, but this works. So I have in the front of me a ring light, which is an 18 centimeter. Is I don't know, it's 18 wide, okay? It's centimeters, I don't know, I hate math, I'm bad at math, but it's 18 5-day light bulb. Now I paid like 100 and something, almost $200, I want to say, and I finally just added a new light bulb, which was like $26. It was really cheap and it was so easy to do. This is a light bulb because my other one lasted me for so long. I want to say about 6 years or 7, and it was just getting yellow. I was not getting that nice pretty white light, so I changed it. It was $26 and it was easy to change. And I have my ring light in the back of my camera because I feel like when it's in the front of the camera, when you're picking up a product and showing the product, it just overexposes the product and you can't even see the letters, and you need to see the letters in order for your followers to know what you are showing. So I have 2 soft boxes, which I have them at the top, and I will show you guys in the video. I have them at the top because I feel like it just lights up in both of my sides and also my backdrop. I had them like down, but that was just like too harsh, so now up it spreads evenly. On YouTube, which I did, you can find anything on YouTube. If you search the three key point lighting, something like that, it will show you this. I have another softbox at the top, which this is called a headlight, so that way you can see my dandruff. Hopefully not, but that way you can see, you know, it shines up your head and it looks more professional. And in the back I have another ring light, which is a small ring light, and I will show you guys. It's a small ring light. This was my first ring light that I bought, and I bought this, I believe, on Amazon or eBay. It has lasted me for a while and it's really good. It's fell off and it's still living, and I have it clipped to my chair. If you guys can see how ghetto this is, it creates, like, you know, a halo effect, if you guys can see that, but that's how ghetto it is. I have it clipped onto my little chair. You see if I remove it how it looks like, just like plain, and when I add it, it just gives me that dimension, you know. So I could put it in a little stand, but I haven't bought a stand for it. So now let's talk about the camera, honey. The camera. Now what you can start filming with is your phone. Start with your phone. Nowadays iPhones quality is amazing. I have an iPhone 7 Plus and the quality is freaking good. I have filmed some videos with that and put them on Instagram. It's really good quality. The back of the camera of the phone, it's the best one. Not the front one, the back one is the bomb. So if you're starting out, start with, and if you really want to make this a career and, you know, start making money and all that stuff, because yes, you do get paid by doing YouTube and all that. So first camera was actually laptop's camera, and after that it was a Canon Vixia. After that I started with a Canon T3i. I was just saving so much money and I got it for my birthday. It was like around 500. I think it's discontinued, but if you look on OfferUp, eBay, Amazon, you can probably find it as well. And I was just filming with that camera. If you can see my past videos, I'll link you guys down below. And I was filming with the 18 to 135 millimeter lens, and the 55mm lens. And now I loved that camera. The only thing is that it didn't autofocus. It didn't autofocus, and if you are a beauty blogger, you need to have a camera that autofocuses, or if you have so much time, then you can go back and forth, you know, to focus the product and then go back to your face and focus. This is what I'm talking to you about, the autofocus. This thing right here is what sold me, and it's nice and sharp and blur. So, you know, depending on the lens too, if you were to have the 55 lens, I will show you guys how this looks with the 55 lens, right? For this lens, you have to be really far away from the camera, and right now I'm far away. I can't even touch it, and look how close it is to me. So it does autofocus. Look at how it looks. It's much different. It's more blur in the background, more professional looking. I really like this one, but mine's broken, and thankfully it's working right now. But it's broken, but it does its job. That was one of the main things that I needed, because the Canon T3i doesn't have it. It says that it does. It says it autofocuses, but they're lying. It doesn't autofocus. I believe that the Canon T5i does focus. That one's really good, and it's also really affordable. The camera that I am filming with, my little baby that I love, it's the Canon 80D. This camera is about $2,000. I want to say I will get the Canon Mark 5D. I think that's like $4,000, but that's when I start making good money on YouTube, because still I don't make good money. So the lens that it comes with is the 18 to 135 millimeter, or the 135 lens. Let me show you guys how wide it opens. It can, you know, get really wide, and it can get really up close and personal. You see how close it gets? It gets super close, and you can see every detail. So depending on you, how you want to film. Just buy the body. The body's the camera without the lens. That's the body, and it'll be probably cheaper, or you can buy it used. Do what you gotta do, girl, to make it work. So that's the camera that I use. So now for the software that I've been using, and it has never let me down, I've been using MAGIX Movie Edit Pro Plus 2018. That's the one that I have right now. I have started from the first one they came out with to now the 2018. So I partnered up with MAGIX, and they were so sweet and kind enough to do this giveaway. One of you is going to have the chance to win this editing software, you guys, and you'll be set for good. You'll be set. So I'm going to show you guys how I edit a quick little Instagram video, because if you are not following me on Instagram, girl, I've been uploading videos every day. Yes, I know I kind of lost YouTube, but I've been uploading videos every day on Instagram. It's much easier, and I feel like YouTube is more informational. Is that how you say it? Informative. Like, you have to stay there, and to edit a YouTube video takes about 2 to 3 hours depending on what you're editing. It takes so long, you guys. So Instagram videos right now are my thing. Go and follow me, you guys. So let me show you guys how I edit a quick little Instagram video. So this is the editing software. I like to create a project. That's what I first like to click, and then I put the width and height for 1080 by 1350 and 4.5, which that gives you a vertical effect. As you see, it looks square. So I go into my size and position right there, and I click 225, and then it makes it full. So after that, I go in, and I'm gonna show you a little trick that I've been doing a lot, which is the reverse effect. And for that, you need the speed, and you click reverse, and it just looks like I magically grabbed the product. So I'm showing you right here that it has a lot of effects. As you see, the transitions, it has the title templates, it has movie intros, it has a lot of designs and images that you can pop in on your video. And it also has a store where you can buy more transitions, movie titles, and you can get music for free, or I believe you can buy some music too. And it has sound effects. So this is an amazing product. You just have to be, you know, adventuring it inside and see what you can create. So to have the chance to win this amazing software, just make sure to open the description box so you guys can know how to enter and all the rules for this giveaway. So now the tripod. You need a tripod, or just do it the getaway that how I used to do it, is have just boxes, you know, on top of each other and put the camera. That's how I started my videos. Just putting, I remember I used to put it on top of a candle, and then I went to boxes, and then I went to books, you know, I was elevating. But now I have a tripod, and I have an affordable tripod, which is by Amazon Basics. It's like probably $20 or less. It's really good. It's holding my Canon 80D. It's really good. So just get yourself a tripod, or you can go to Goodwill. But when you go to Goodwill, make sure that you get the tripod, and it has the little the little clip that I will show you guys or insert a picture, those things were costing me more than the tripod itself. So I'm like, never mind, and I couldn't find them. So any tripod on Amazon, they're cheap and they're really good. So now I have a table in front of me. You can use whatever you can. I had like a little food tray, but I had to put my my laptop and my makeup, and it was just really hard. So I got a little table, and I have this on top, which it's I think this is the shader for the cars. I don't know what it's called, but it's for the cars, and I believe it's like probably $1 or $2. It's really cheap. But what this does, I have a big one on top of the table, and what it does, if you have it on the bottom, it just lights up. If you can see right here, it just gives you a pretty nice light. Without it, I mean, I have it still on the table, but whenever my table is dirty, then I use a little one, and then so you see the difference. What I mean, it just gives you that nice flawless, I don't know how to call this, a nice professional look, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, make sure you get one of these. You can find that at the dollar store. It's really affordable, and they're really big too. Now moving on. Is my mic not even on? It's not even on me. I hope you guys hear me. But now moving on to the mic. I hate the mic from the camera itself. It sucks. I mean, it does the job, you know, but I just don't like it. I don't feel like it's crispy enough. And the mic that I have, if you guys can hear me really good, I mean, I didn't have it clipped on. This is how it looks. It's from Audio Technica, and it has an on and off button. I want to upgrade. I will upgrade. I gotta stop saying I want to. I gotta say I'm going to. I'm going to upgrade because this takes batteries, and if you forget to turn it off, then it completely just dies, you know, it sucks. So yeah, you can clip it on here or clip it on here. Now the mic that I use to do my voiceovers, I will insert a picture, but it's called the Blue mic or the Blue Snow or the Blue Ball. I forgot what it's called, but it's a white ball, but it's called Blue, I think. And you just connect that to your computer and you go and do your voiceovers. And a lot of beauty bloggers have this mic, and also a lot of voiceover artists have this mic because it's a really high quality. So those are the two mics that I have. If not, I use my iPhone's microphone or the earphones. It's a really crispy quality. So start off with that better. Start off with your iPhone if you don't want to buy any microphone. Start off with your iPhone. It has a really good quality microphone in there. This is how I'm filming. I am filming in the living room, so you gotta do what you gotta do to make it work. I have the two soft boxes that I was telling you guys behind me, and then I have the ring light in the back of the camera because, like I said, if you put it in the front, it just overexposes the products. And then I have the hair light, I believe, or hair light, and that one is from a different company. I like this one much more. That one's really light. And I have my computer right here, the table with the products. It's always a mess right there. And then I have the shader for the cars right there, so it can rebound some light to my face. This stand that I got on Amazon as well, and I believe I bought extra clips. I bought this fabric at a fabric local store here in Arizona, and I will link you guys down below, but they have a million of colors. So I just have a normal fabric. You can use paper, but I just feel like a fabric works much better. Here's the ring light that I was talking to you guys about. This was my first ring light, and I have it set on this chair. So ghetto, but I mean, it works. The camera comes with a cord that you can attach it to the computer, as you guys see. So it comes from the computer to the camera, so I can use this program, which is called the EOS Utility in number 3. That's the one that I'm running right now. So your camera should come with this software, and it would just allow you to use your computer as a monitor. As you guys see, I can see all my settings. I can take pictures with this button, and I can click the record button and just start filming. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys find it useful and helpful. I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast, but I'm trying to hurry and beat the time because I'm trying to upload this today for you guys. So the giveaway, just make sure to read the description box so you guys can know about all the rules and everything you guys got to do. You know, I wish someone was there for me when I started YouTube, and they would have told me like, no, use this, no, use that, no, use those slides, because it was a struggle. And it's still for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram, because I am uploading every day. Yes, every day. If you want to see me, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Good luck.